Today on JL Johnny's Jeep Life, we're going to be installing these recliners that I picked up from GTA Jeeps in Brampton, Ontario. If anybody's ever sat in the back of a Jeep, you know that the back seats are straight up and down and it's not very comfortable for the passengers. So what we're going to do is we're going to just lean it back just a little bit to add a little bit more comfort and a little bit more legroom. Also, we're going to be installing some door steps, so join me. What you're going to need is an 18mm socket wrench to get these bolts out. Now go around and do the same to the other side. Next, we take out the ones from the back. Next, we gotta lift up the seat, and we've got some bolts under here as well. Make sure you get yourself an extension piece to make sure that you don't strip the nut or the bolt. So I've watched a lot of YouTube videos on the installation of these, and they just put the bolts right in to the slots. However, this is a JL model and it's not the case. We're going to have to do some modifications. So I've got my sink bit here, and I'm going to have to make this hole a lot bigger than it is. Perfect. Now that we've countersunk that into place, now we can just tighten up the bolts. Now that we've got the last two in place, tighten it up. Do not cross thread, because you will strip the bolts. Good time to vacuum up the shavings before we install the front pieces. Now we'll just put these parts into space in the proper place and just bolt those down. You always put the whole side towards the back. Get the bolts that they supply you with. I did bungee the seats to the back gate. Undo the bungees. Do as much as you can by hand. Otherwise, you're going to be turning that ratchet for an hour. Now we just have to retighten all of these. And just like that, we are done. Got to put the carpet back in and clean up a little bit, but you can see the recline is a bit different. Let's see what the kids think. Okay, so the ultimate test is have the passengers who normally sit in the back, sit in the back. Hop in, Shandy. How does that feel? Is that a lot more comfortable than?
It's actually a lot more comfortable. It's better.
Because usually you're sitting straight up, and now you can kind of lean back, right?
Yeah, it's more comfortable.
And you got more leg room.
Oh yeah, and I put my feet under if I wanted to. So I used to be up like this, and now I'm relaxed.
That's a major difference. To me, that's a success. Another thing that I purchased when I was at GTA Jeeps is these body armor hinge steps. Now what they do is they go on to the side right here like this, and then a step comes out so you can get up on top of the roof for your cargo area. So what you need to get yourself is a T50 bit and a ratchet. Get painted on there, so you're going to have to crack the seal. Before you tighten it too much, you want to just double check, make sure your door still opens and closes, and that works perfect. Job well done. Well, my daughter's happy with how it fits in the back, and she's a lot more comfortable, so to me that's a success. Thank you for joining me at JL Johnny's Jeep Life. If you like this video, please click like below, and if you haven't done so already, please click subscribe and hit that bell button so you know exactly when I'm going to be putting up my next video. I got another few Jeep videos coming up soon. The last one was the Jeep lift, which I hope you guys watch that. If not, definitely check it out on my channel. And until next time, guys, keep the rubber side down, and we'll see you again real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.